Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you delete all data on your Fascin tracker app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, and just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click in this sign here and you just click on it here. It's going to take you to an exhibit here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just go down, you keep going down here. Then you click here on delete all data here and you just click on it. Then you click on yes, then it's going to delete video on your Fascin tracker app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.